What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 17 live cop. Now this week is obviously highlighted by the BOGOs, and to be honest, if I wasn't making this video, I probably wouldn't even be going for them. There's just way better things in my opinion that I'm after rather than the box logo, but obviously I'm going to have to single cart the box logo, so that's going to take up a lot of my time waiting in the queue, but we're going to go for it just for the video because I already know everyone out there today is going to be going for the box logo. Not even trying to be a hater, but I feel like it's been a few years since I've gone for a box logo. This is kind of just throwing me off going for it. Like, those pants should sit, but that's the number one thing that I want this week are the pants. But there's actually like quite a few things that we're going for, so I'm a little upset that I have to waste all that time on the box logo. I mean, I should be able to get the box logo. I'm gonna be crazy to try to make it worth it for me to where I'm gonna try to get 2 box logos just so I can get the free shipping, because like I said, I don't even go for these things anymore. They just don't really sell good for me, at least like the sizes and colors that I get. So if I get them or not, I'm not gonna be upset about it or whatever, but I mean, just for the video, we're gonna go for it. Like I said, I'd much rather get the beanies, to be honest. I'm gonna try to get, well, you probably can only get 2 of the beanies, but I'm gonna try to get as many of the beanies as I can. So let me just run through real quick everything that we're after. So obviously we're gonna go for the box logo. I guess I'm gonna try to get it in the pink and forest green colorway because those are my 2 favorite. Then we're gonna try to get the box logo beanie. Like I said, we're gonna try to get every color if they allow you to, but if I'm being honest, they're probably only gonna let us get 2, so maybe I'll try to get the 2 matching ones. I don't know yet. I'm gonna skip out on the turntable, but that is really sick. Then I'm gonna try to get the different 6 panel in all 4 colorways. You should be able to get all 4, so hopefully we can get those. The camo ones last season sold out super quick, so I might not even be able to get those, to be honest. Then what I'm really thinking about is a flocked logo sweater for the personal. This like bluish colorway looks so sick to me, and I think I'm gonna try to get it for the personal. I'm not for sure. I have a lot of bad luck with these sweaters. I feel like they just look very weird on my body. This one is beautiful, and you guys should be surprised, but I actually would prefer the blue over the pink, so we might go for that. That's still kind of up in the air. I'm gonna see how I'm feeling, how many L's we're taking earlier. We might go for a few of the heat reflective masks. I'm just not for sure yet. The Sorel boots were really sick. I was actually thinking about getting the black pair, but I think I'm gonna pass on them. I don't know. I also could change my mind. Then we got the 2-tone paneled baggy jean. These are the pants that I need. I can't decide if I want the black or the brown colorway. They're so disliked on here though that we should have time to get those after I take the L on the box logo, and then I guess that's gonna do it for the week. So that's about, maybe going for about like 14 items if you count all the colorways. So there's quite a few things that we're going for. Like I said, just for the video, we're gonna go for the box logo, and I think we're trying to get pink and green. Not gonna be keeping those for the personal, but I do like those colorways. But before we get into the live cop, I did want to say, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. I will put a card on the screen as well as in the description down below. Also, if you're new here, I just dropped my room tour video a couple weeks ago. It is the highlighted video on my channel as well as in the description down below. I'll also put a card on the screen if you want to click it to go check that out after this video. I spent a lot of time on that video, and I told you guys I would drop it once I hit 1,000 subscribers again. So thank you guys so much for getting me back up there. So the room tour video is now up on the channel, so make sure you check that out. But alright, let's jump into this live cop because we only got a few minutes left. Alright, we are live on the live cop. Like I said, we only got a few seconds left until the drop. We don't really have much time to look over. Here are the Dickies that came out last week. I still haven't got my order yet, which is kind of odd. Usually they're really quick with it, but I haven't got my orders yet. I'm still hoping this fits, and I'm still super surprised that the pink flew so fast. Who knows? I might try to pick this up on the aftermarket depending on how much I like the gray version. I'll hopefully be having some new reels coming out too, so if you want to see me unbox that, make sure you subscribe. I had to just plug myself right there, and we got a couple seconds left. I'm praying they hurry up and sell out, to be honest, on the box logo, so I can just hurry up and try to get my pants. But we got to try to get that box logo for the video. Oh no. All right, here's pink. That actually loaded pretty quickly if I'm being honest. Now hopefully they let us get 2. They are letting us get 2. So add it to the car and check out. A little lag time there. That's not good. Is that even a bridge? That might not even been a bridge. Come on. It wasn't a bridge. Now I'm looking for cars. And then here we are. We're gonna sit in the queue for probably like 10 minutes. And I always say this every single week. It's probably not even worth it going on my phone, but I really want those pants. I feel like they shouldn't sell out. The only thing I want that I'm like afraid that's gonna sell out would probably be those hats, because last season the camo flew so quickly. So maybe I'll try to get a card going on here just in case. Wow, those pants are already selling out? No way. Maybe I should try to check out on my phone. I did not see that coming. You actually can add all of the hats, not the box logo hats. I didn't get there yet. So let's see how many we can get. Alright, we're in line on my phone. I mean, sorry I couldn't screen record it. I don't think I've ever gotten that far on the phone, so that's kind of crazy. Those 2-tone pants actually might sell out. That is crazy. They only have 2 sizes left on them, and I'm still in line for this, and it's already 11:02. I got a huge monster cart going. I think it said there was 11 items in here. I wish I could have screen recorded it. I did not think I was going to get that far, so I am sorry about that. If for whatever reason I'm actually able to scoop this, I am going to take a screenshot of it. We're still in line here. We're still in line here. This is not looking good. I might as well just count how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just got 12 things on the cart on my phone. I usually stay taking L's on the phone. I don't know what it is, but I can never cop on the phone. Come on, at least get one of them through so I can go back on the computer and try to get some of these things in case I'm stuck here. It's about to be 11:03. This isn't good, guys. This is not good. Pink sold out. What am I gonna get through on green? Do I even want a single cart green though? I really don't even want a single cart this, to be honest. I kind of hope it sells out. Come on. Part of my card sold out. We know. Let's go. All right, I'll just leave that there. Come on, let's go. Some go through. Both are sold out, so now we can go back. Like I said, we're not even tripping, but we do have to remove this because I learned my lesson last time. Whoa, what is going on outside? What is going on outside? All right, let's try to get these. Oh, that was the wrong color. That was the wrong color. I'm tripping. Okay, pants are still here. We're still in line there. Are all these gone? No, there's still some here. I guess we'll just add this for the video. Just say I got one. Pink is sold out though. We don't even want those though. I'm not tripping about it. Let's get these hats. I didn't go for every single color, but I am going to try to get some of them. And then I think I just need the camo hats. And I'm going to try to check out on this. There's way too many things in here though. Part of my item. Oh, I already knew the box logo sold out. I didn't think that. Let me add that to the cart. That's fine though. Don't let these pants sell out. Don't let these pants sell out. Come on, let's get through. Let's get through. I'm still waiting on my phone too, which is crazy. I apologize if you can hear whatever's going on outside right now. It's very loud. I don't even know what that could be. Is it still just pink is sold out? Still waiting on the phone. Guys, it's 11:05 right now, and we have not got a single thing. Okay, the other box logo sold out, which I expected. We're not even worried about that, but maybe they'll let me get through checkout. Come on, let's just get through here. I also kind of feel like oh, I forgot about the sweater. That's what it was. I guess it's too late now. That's probably sold out. I'm too afraid to leave. Are we really not going to get anything? We get it that these sold out. We get it. Just let me through. It's 11:06 now. I don't think we're going to get through. Okay, we knew the box logo was sold out. Been sold out. Oh, that's the large that I added earlier, actually. That's weird. That probably messed it up for me not clearing it. I thought I cleared it. And we are still loading. About to be 11:07. Are we getting through? I just want these pants so bad. Please let me through. And my phone has not done anything. My phone is literally just saying here. I guess now we just wait. This will be the longest I've ever been in the queue. It's about to be 11:08. So I think it's been pretty much 8 minutes since I've been on my phone. And I'm still not through. This is not good. Everything is still showing in stock besides the box logos. We're not even worried about those. Please just let me through. We get that the card is sold out. Just let me through. I need these pants. How are not all the hats sold out yet? It's been almost 10 minutes. Still showing in stock here. Still showing in stock here. I know you guys hate when I do cuts while I'm waiting, but there's gonna be a lot of cuts in this video because you guys would have just been waiting for 10 minutes of nothing. I don't think we're gonna get through. Well, I mean like get through with the things that I want, or I'm just gonna be stuck here. I almost kind of feel like I should leave the screen because it's almost been 10 minutes on my phone. Oh, as soon as I say that, no, way. That is devastating. Of course the pants I wanted the most. Probably not gonna let me through on this. Yeah, we're gonna have to go through this. By the time I'm gonna get done with this, it's gonna be sold out. Usually when it does that, something else has sold out. So let's try this again. Those things were so disliked too, and I was not even able to get them. I'm still even waiting on my phone. This is ridiculous at this point. Something else is gonna be sold out by the time I get through here. Maybe not. All right, we got through on this, but I am pretty bummed. If I'm being honest, those pants are what I wanted the most. Dang, this screen recording is already 12 minutes long, and we just got our first checkout. How's that sweater looking? The sweater's got to be gone. Wait, where even is the sweater? Nobody wanted this? That's kind of surprising, to be honest, but why is it? Why? Is this real? Am I getting trolled right now? Come on, come on. That's probably fake anyways. I was just like trying to see something, and I'm still in line on my phone. This is crazy. Half this stuff is sold out now. This is why I never use the phone. I can never get through on the phone. What is? All the camo hats are still here, which is crazy. And the beanies. Quite surprised on the beanies. I'm still in the queue on the other one. Kind of wondering if I should try to get... Oh, that didn't even work. Oh, so the pants are sold out. I don't know if it's really worth it to get that sweater now because I really wanted the pants. Some box logos are still here. That can't be right. That's crazy. Some of these are still here. Orange is a full size run. Okay, so pink seems to be the only one that's sold out. Is this actually here? Dang, if I wanted orange, I could have got orange, but I do not want that. Is it even worth doing another cart? This is what we want. Man, I am upset about those pants. Sometimes too with buying the pants on the secondary market, they're kind of hard to find. How much are these camo hats if I get these? Is this even with the sweater? So okay, something sold out. Oh, I already knew the pants sold out. Dang, I wish I would have. No, now I'm gonna be stuck here. Still loading on my phone, which is crazy. I'm just gonna leave my phone. I don't even need that. I don't even know if I want this flock logo sweater anymore. And you know what I'm thinking too? I added a large to the cart and I just got this like same sweater but the Thrasher one. And I said I thought it was too big. Probably should have got medium. I love how my screen recording video is at like 15 minutes right now, and this video is probably still gonna be under 8 minutes because this was just 10 minutes of waiting. How are there that many box logos still? I'm still waiting in line on this one. Oh, I'm cooked. Let me leave this. Just go to here. How are there that many box logos left? Black is still here. Dang, that one is still there. I should probably remove that actually. Pretty much all these are sitting. That's crazy to me. Oh, and the pink. I mean, and the gray. Only the two I went for sold out. That's actually funny. I probably could have got any of these. How is it 11:15 and the box logos are still sitting? Except the only two that I went for, and then the gray two. That's crazy. I swore two on the chart that I saw. Pink and green weren't even that high up. It's even crazier that black is still here. But no one was messing with orange. All right, come on. Just let me through on this last card so we can be done. Green's actually pretty tough. I do like the green. Come on. I don't even know if I want this card anymore. This is like a $600 card. You didn't even get the thing that I wanted, so now I'm just sad. I guess we just wait now. It's probably 20 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna get this ordered. And I think I might just end the video, to be honest. I'm at like over 25 minutes of recording right now. Don't think I'm gonna get through. And if I do, I'm just gonna pretty much buy the exact same things that I already had. Pretty much no point for you guys waiting anymore. I mean, we took an L and everything. So I do apologize. This was a pretty uneventful live cop. I can't believe I took an L in the pants. And I'm looking at the screen right now. I'm actually still waiting in line. It is currently 11:28. So I'm definitely probably not getting through on this. Half the stuff has got to be gone by now. At least we got the black pants. I really wanted the tan ones. I couldn't decide which one I wanted, but now that I didn't get the tan ones, I kind of want the tan ones more. That's usually how it is. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I called it. I think because I went for the box logo, I was not able to get the pants. I mean, we sat in the queue though for like 10 minutes, so who knows? It could have been the queue. It could have been because I went for the box logo. I guess I'll never know. Hopefully I can find those pants on the secondary market. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up those pants, but also let me know in the comments down below if you guys are able to pick up anything from this drop. If you got a box logo, which color did you get and which size? Before I end the video, again, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sutton. I'll put something on the screen as well as in the description down below. And make sure you go check out my room tour. It is the main video on my channel, and I will leave a card on the screen in case you guys want to check that out. I got some more shorts coming out, so if you want to see those, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.